Psalm chapter 46:10 declares, "Be still, and know that I am God." When you entrust everything to God and follow the guidance of the Holy Spirit, you will experience true peace. In Matthew chapter 11:28-30, Jesus invites you to cast your burdens on Him. True freedom comes not from bearing the weight of outcomes yourself but by trusting fully in God, who carries those burdens for you. This freedom replaces heaviness with a life full of joy and gratitude. Let go of judgment and criticism toward others, humbling yourself before God. Instead of taking His place, release your fear and anxiety about the future. Trust the Holy Spirit in all things and embrace the grace God gives you right now. Proverbs 3:5-6 encourages us, "Trust in the Lord with all your heart and lean not on your own understanding. In all your ways acknowledge Him, and He will make your paths straight." Instead of pursuing what you are good at, or what brings you joy, ask what God desires from you and meet the needs of others. When serving the Lord, let yourself fade so that only Jesus is glorified. Set aside your own thoughts and opinions, allowing the Holy Spirit to use you as a vessel. Look at people through the heart of God, and trust in His work through the testimonies of others. When challenges weigh on your heart, humble yourself by remembering you were once a sinner, reflecting on Jesus' great love that forgave you, and seeking God's heart through the Holy Spirit. Being a child of God is the greatest gift of grace. Thank the Holy Spirit, who heals you deeply and continuously. Deuteronomy 8:3 reminds us that God humbles us and performs miracles in our lives to show that we live not by bread alone but by His word. Grace is God's unconditional love and mercy, and your life is a testament to His grace. In John chapter 8:12, "May Jesus' light dispel all darkness within you immediately." Psalm chapter 119 verse 152 and 119 verse 105 affirm that God's promises are eternal and unchanging. His word is a lamp to your feet and a light to your path. Walk in that light and trust Him every step of the way.